Tired of tartar and plaque, yearning for a dazzling smile? Well, you've come to the right place. Today we're delving into the world of home remedies for tartar and plaque, those pesky invaders that can tarnish your pearly whites. Oral health is more than just a pretty smile. It's a cornerstone of overall well-being. Tartar and plaque, if left unchecked, can lead to serious dental issues, such as gum disease and tooth decay. But fear not, nature provides us with a wealth of remedies right at our fingertips. From the humble baking soda to the vibrant orange peel, these everyday items can be your secret weapons in the battle against tartar and plaque. And the best part? These remedies are easy to use, affordable, and most importantly, effective. So, straighten up, flash that smile, and embark on this journey towards better oral health. So, ready to learn some effective home remedies for plaque and tartar? Let's dive in. Ever thought your kitchen could hold the secret to a sparkling smile? Let's dive into the world of home remedies, starting with a simple baking soda and salt scrub. Begin by taking a pinch of baking soda, a dash of salt, and just enough water to make a thick paste. It's as simple as that. Now, carefully apply this paste onto your toothbrush and scrub your teeth with it. This humble duo of baking soda and salt is surprisingly mighty. Baking soda, a mild abrasive, works wonders in removing surface stains from your teeth, while salt acts as a natural disinfectant. Together, they form a powerful scrub that helps to break down the plaque and tartar that can dull your smile. Remember though, moderation is key. Use this scrub no more than once or twice a week to avoid damaging your enamel. So that's baking soda and salt for you. A simple yet effective remedy against tartar and plaque. Scene script. Oranges are not just for juice anymore. Picture this. A humble orange peel, often discarded without a second thought, has the potential to be your secret weapon in the fight against tartar and plaque. Intriguing, isn't it? Here's how to use it. After enjoying your orange, instead of tossing the peel away, gently rub the inside of it against your teeth. The peel is rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that's also a natural antibacterial agent. This vitamin C blitzes through tartar and plaque, breaking them down and helping to prevent their formation in the first place. This remedy is not just effective but also delightfully refreshing. The citrusy aroma of the orange peel leaves your mouth feeling fresh and invigorated. Just remember to rinse your mouth with water after the rub to remove any citrus residue. And there you have it, a fresh and fruity way to keep your teeth clean. Aloe vera isn't just for your skin. Did you know that this wonder plant, a staple in many skincare products, can also work wonders for your oral health? Today we're going to explore how to create an effective scrub using aloe vera and glycerin. To begin, you'll need a cup of fresh aloe vera gel. Extracting the gel is a simple process. Cut a leaf from an aloe vera plant, slice it down the middle and scoop out the gel. Next, you'll need 2 teaspoons of vegetable glycerin. This is a natural product derived from plant oils and is safe to consume in small amounts. You'll also need 4 tablespoons of baking soda and 10 drops of lemon essential oil, which is optional but adds a nice refreshing touch. Combine all these ingredients in a bowl. Mix them until you get a smooth, paste-like consistency. Your aloe vera and glycerin scrub is ready to use. Now, let's delve into the benefits of this remedy. Aloe vera, known for its healing and antimicrobial properties, helps in fighting against the bacteria causing tartar and plaque. The gel's soothing properties can also help with gum inflammation, often associated with tartar buildup. On the other hand, glycerin is a humectant, meaning it helps retain moisture. When used in oral care, it helps keep the mouth hydrated and prevents dryness, which can contribute to tartar formation. Combined with the abrasive action of baking soda, this scrub effectively removes plaque and tartar without damaging your teeth or gums. This scrub is not only beneficial but also cost-effective and easy to make. Use it twice a week and remember to brush your teeth regularly and maintain good oral hygiene for the best results. So, next time you see aloe vera, remember it's not just skin deep. This plant is a powerhouse of benefits, extending far beyond soothing sunburns and hydrating skin. It's a valuable tool in maintaining a healthy, radiant smile and promoting overall oral health. So, there you have it, a treasure chest of home remedies for tartar and plaque. We've delved into the wonders of the humble kitchen and unearthed some remarkable remedies that can aid in your fight against the stubborn foes of oral health, tartar and plaque. These solutions lie in everyday items, making them not only cost-effective but also easily accessible. Our first contender in this battle was the mighty mixture of baking soda and salt. This scrub, when applied diligently, can serve as a potent weapon, its abrasive nature helping to dislodge the tartar buildup. Next, we acquainted ourselves with the citrusy charm of the orange peel. Rubbing the inside of this peel against your teeth before sleep can work wonders. It's a gentle yet effective way to combat the yellowing effect of plaque. Finally, we explored the soothing and cleansing properties of aloe vera and glycerin. This scrub, when combined with a few other household ingredients, forms a formidable opponent to tartar and plaque. However, it's crucial to underline that these remedies, as efficient as they may be, are not a one-stop solution. They are aids, supplemental to your regular oral hygiene routine, not replacements. They can help maintain oral health and prevent the accumulation of tartar and plaque, but they cannot replace the professional care provided by a dentist. Regular dental checkups, along with daily brushing and flossing, remain the cornerstone of good oral health. Remember, it's not just about having a dazzling smile, it's about maintaining a healthy mouth. So while these home remedies are your allies, they're not your only defense. Take these remedies as a part of your holistic approach towards oral health. Embrace them, but also remember the importance of professional dental care. After all, tartar and plaque are stubborn foes, but with the right habits and care, they're not unbeatable. Remember, a dazzling smile begins at home, so here's to brighter smiles and healthier teeth.